conquering hand. If I could question you, just to help you with your view, I'd remind you of the one who holds you in his hand. If I ask you for the truth, do you know the answer? The one that can renew. Are you in a storm right now? Do you feel the clouds surround? Does it feel impossible to overcome what you must face? Will it be restored somehow? Will it ever turn around? Can you move the obstacles and unroll the pain it brings? The pain it brings. It's not in your power alone. Come to the Father, 'cause He already knows. Speaks to the wind and it is still. He breaks the walls and the broken hearted He rebuilds. Are you in a storm?